welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Catamio, and for today's vlog, I'll be unboxing the new S20. Ayan, so for today, ayan, we have the new S20. This one is the flagship, and the new flagship of Samsung is that S20, and then we have the S20 Ultra, and then S20 Plus. So, syempre, ang afford lang namin is S20 kasi expensive yung dalawa. But, syempre, maganda yung features ito. So, for the, ayan, ito na po yung S20. Kita ba? Ayan. So, to open the S20. Tchanan! Joke lang. So, ito po yung unit. So, unang-una, makikita nyo agad yung unit. Ayan po siya. Hindi nagbablur. Ayan po yung S20. Yan. They have, it's a quad camera, diba? It's just triple camera pa rin. So, ayan na po siya. So, syempre, sa ibang vlog na yung features nung cellphone. So, later ko na papakita. And then, kasama nung sa box niya is that, dahil na mahugot. This one, the SIM card ejector. And then, meron na rin siyang free jelly case. Tapos, maninilaw siya soon. Joke lang. Pero syempre, free lang na ito, diba? Kaya jelly case. Ayan. So, let's try. Ayan. Fit na siya. Tawa. Ayan, so part po is that the quick start guide. And then we have here the warranty card. So, syempre, pag nasira yung cellphone. And then, ayan, yun na po yung isa. And then we'll go to the accessories. Ito na po yung charger niya. Syempre, black yung cellphone, black na din yung charger. Pero mas agad yung cellphone niya kasi Type-C na rin yung cable niya for you to charge. And then, siya ay super fast charging. So, magkaiba siya sa fast charging. O, diba? Super na fast pa. And, 5.0 volt. Diba? Pag output. Pag input, 100 to 240. Ayan na. Kita. Kita mo? So, dito na po yung kanyang cord. So, as you can see, ang hirap tanggalin. Yeah. So, as you can see here, pareho na siyang Type-C. Yan, kita. Yan. And then, here we have the new headset. Ang ganda ng headset. Wow, my free earbuds. Ito na po siya. That's my free earbuds. Ayan. So, as you can see, Type-C na rin yung headset niya. So, same lang na siya nung ibang phone. Kasi before, meron pa siya yung sa jack. Diba? So, here po siya. O, wala na siyang jack. Ayan. So, syempre, just to show you kung ano yung laman, I'll open it. Ayan na siya. Pag nag-start. Yan siya. Brought to you by Glow. Ano bakit ako dito? Naka-focus. Just to show you guys, ayan, yung button niya dito. It says sa right pa rin, and then dito for the previous apps open, tapos home. Yan. Just to show you yung app. Siyempre, bago pa lang siya, wala pa nakalagay na app, pero may pre-installed na siya, yung mga basic like Facebook and Google Play Store, and you can download the app. So, ito siya sa setting. Yan, Android. And okay. For the other features, sa ibang video na lang siya. And then we'll just go deeper. If you want to see more features of this Samsung S20, I'll be uploading on my next video. Please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you!